Brats, I have found my favorite head strap, the Bobo VR M2. If you missed that video, check it out. But we had other straps on order. Other straps come in, and not absolutely everybody loves the Bobo VR like I do. So let's check out this other strap sent to us real quick. Today we have got another strap named the Elite Strap. I don't know how they're all getting away with this because that's the name of the Oculus one, but we've got another different one that claims to be another Elite Strap. It says it enhances comfort and support with a quick twist of the fit wheel, blah, blah, blah. It's another kind of weird looking one. Remember that flower pedal one we did? It kind of looks like that, but without the pedals. It's got the same weird design, the same X pattern on the side. Let's open this thing up. Always have your small, sharp unboxing knife whenever you're gonna open something, and just take it gently and slow. And boom, unboxed, look at that. Make sure and put your little knife away when you're done, because you don't wanna hurt anybody. Let's get this Bobo off real quick and check this thing out. So this is another one like the ones we had before. It's a snap-on design. It did come in a few pieces. You just had to snap it together pretty simply. And then it snaps on. If you remember the other ones, this part's always a little scary, but this one actually snaps on a lot nicer than the other ones did. So at least one side did. Dang, okay. That's the easiest any of those have ever gone on. It's got actually one of the nicest sounding gears that I've messed with on them. It actually feels stable and solid. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break in a month. It's kind of a tricky one because you kind of like, I like them are like, ugh. You're kind of like, should I put it lower on my head? You really don't want to. You want it up high on the back where it's cradling your head. And it kind of feels just like that flower pedal one we had, but without the weird flower petals that were touching me weirdly. For those of you who have tried Halo straps and you're not getting a Bobo VR because you want something that fits you and stays more stable, this definitely fits the bill a bit more. It's got a tiny bit of wobble on my face, but if I tighten it down, it really cinches down. It feels like it's putting even pressure around the ring that's on your face instead of putting the pressure up on your forehead. Where strangely, some people actually like that better. I've had two people. If you don't, this is weird. So this part, you can push this in without touching the knob. So that's what just happened. Some people haven't liked the Bobo that I've had try it because they feel too scared that it's not staying on their face and they want something with that stability. So this would actually give you that stability. Thing is only $20, $19.99 right now with free delivery on Prime. So if you've been thinking, I want a different head strap and I want a much cheaper alternative than the Bobo VR, or I don't like the Halo, this is actually a decent solution. I can see a lot of people would like this one. Me personally, I would rather have it be really comfortable and well-distributed weight than to have the feeling of stability, where with this, you're gonna get the stability, and it still feels decently distributed because what it does is this part is so rigid that it doesn't let the weight hang as badly. I mean, you can grab it from here and it's not wiggling around because it's really stable. So not a bad strap at all, especially at 20 bucks. It's probably the best strap you can get for that price. I will leave a link in the description in case you want to check that out, find it for yourself. If you played with any of these, let me know what you think in the comments, because I've gone through a lot of head straps now, and I gotta say, this one is probably still top 5 of all the head straps. This one, the flower pedal one, of course the Bobo being the top one, and then the other Halo band. But well done, company, for a very cheap price. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for one more of these. I think we're done with head straps. I feel like I've said that before, but I guess we'll find out. I will see you in another reality. Boom shakalaka.